Ready? Go! Get on him, Dave. Good. Hit him. Control his limbs, Chris. Control his limbs. Gotta do something. Come on, Chris. Control his limbs.
You're getting him in an arm bar and shit.
Go. Come on, Chris. Step out.
There you go.
Can't play a closed guard. Bad timing decision. Wrong time to go for the gun. That's why that just happened, and he's only got one shot. Come on, Chris. Let's go. Let's go. Solve the problem. He's shooting you with your shit. Get it back, Chris. Come on. Keep that gun off of you. Get it back.
There you go.
Break. Come on. Break. Break.